So this video is not about Dewalt tools, which I have a bunch of them, but it's about the Dewalt warranty. And watch to the end to figure out if the warranty is good or is it bad. When you're thinking about tools and which one you want to buy, you need to think about which brand you want to use. And the reason that is because the batteries are interchangeable. So if you buy two different brands, then you're going to have to buy two different types of batteries. Well, as you can see, I have many tools, but I don't have quite as many batteries as I have tools. So I didn't have to buy as many batteries as I did tools. So you want to pick kind of the tool you want when you get started buying tools so that you can have one battery for it. So let's get to the warranty. Is it good or is it bad? About a year and a half ago, I bought this Dewalt power station, and this thing has been a lifesaver. I can take it places where there's no power. Let's say, for instance, you want to go on a camping trip and you want to take the comfort of your home, some of the comforts of your home out there, which I guess that would defeat the purpose of a camping trip. But if you wanted to do that, you could do that with this power station. It has a plug on the side where you can plug in. Now, to run this thing, it takes 4 20-volt, 60-volt flex volt batteries. And these things are, I bought a pair of them and it was $258. So about 2 months ago, this one went out and I took it apart trying to fix it. But well, I had to have another one because I had to have 4 to run it, and so that put me down to 3. So I went to Amazon and got 2 more. So at that point I had 5 batteries. About 3 weeks to a month ago, 2 batteries went out, which put me down to just having 3, which makes this machine unusable in the way it's supposed to be used. You can run the small batteries, but it doesn't last very long. So that puts me down to 3. So I'm back on Amazon about to order, and then I think, won't you check the warranty? Which obviously that was common sense for most people, but so I went to the website, looked at the warranty. It has a 3-year warranty. Well, I hadn't had this machine but a year and a half. So I called the number that's right here, and I got a guy on the phone, and he asked me one question. He said, what is the number on the top of the Dewalt battery? And that's the number right there he took. He got that number for all 3 batteries. And then he said, it'll be about 2 weeks, but they'll be there. Well, just the other day, they came in the mail. 3 brand new flex volt batteries. These probably, if you added these up, it'd be at least $400. Now, obviously, it's under warranty. It says it on the box. It has a 3-year warranty. So make sure to check your warranty before you go out and buy something that you need. That's a lesson that we all need to listen to, because sometimes we might forget. Now, there are some people that never forget about the warranty, but I'm the type that just forgets about it and goes to buy something else. But check your warranty before you go buy something else, because you might save yourself a little bit of money. So in the end, to answer the question, DeWalt's warranty is good.